Look at this big box! I wonder what's inside it this time. A bus! My favorite vehicle! All aboard! Doors are closing! Off we go to our next stop. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Beep, 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 beep. Hi there! I'm very busy. Gotta go. Vroom, vroom. Today, I'm a bus driver, and I have so much to do. So many people everywhere are waiting for my bus to take them to where they need to go. I just love my bus. It's big enough to carry so many people. At least 10, or even more. Buses have just a few doors. One at the front near the driver, and another one at the back of the bus, where people can put their luggage. How cool is that? Buses can drive very long distances or just places nearby. Did you hear that? That's my bus's horn. It honks to warn people and other cars to stay out of the way. Honk, honk. I just love it. Hey, how about you wait for my bus at the next stop? I'll come and pick you up, and then we'll go on a trip together. A helicopter! Awesome! Whee! We're flying high up in the sky! My helicopter can take me anywhere I want. It can stay on the ground. And when I feel like it can shoot right up to the sky. See? Hey! Whee! My helicopter has a long tail and a place for people to sit when they go for a ride. That's where the pilot sits. And guess what else? On top, it has a rotor that spins around really fast. My helicopter is super cool. Did you hear that? My helicopter's making so much noise. You should get a helicopter too. It's the best. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Vroom, vroom. Look at my car. It's super cool. I can drive it forward and I can drive it backwards. And I can drive it all around. My car is black and shiny. And it has 4 black wheels. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has a steering wheel. But you would never guess what my favorite part of this car is. Did you hear that? Beep, beep. It's like music to my ears. My shiny car has headlights as well. They can turn on and off. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. make way for my fire engine so we can get to the fire quickly and put it out. My fire engine is big and red. It has big black wheels. I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has a big ladder on top that can stretch and reach to the tops of high buildings. See? And it has a big hose. It can spray so much water to put out the fire. Did you hear that? That's my fire engine coming. And you know what else? The bravest firefighters get to ride my fire engine. They go everywhere. They save people and even kittens that get caught in trees. When I grow up, I want to ride a real fire engine. That would be so cool. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Whew, whew. Look at this big box. I wonder what's inside it this time. Oh, a truck! My favorite vehicle. Beep, 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 beep. Careful, everyone. Make way. A big truck is going backwards. Oh, take a look at my truck. It's awesome, don't you think? My truck is yellow and very, very, very big. It has a cabin in the front for the driver to sit in and drive the truck. And all the rest of this big vehicle is the back of the truck. You can load all sorts of things into the back of the truck and drive them anywhere you want. And when you get there, you unload them. My truck can carry all kinds of stuff in it. You can also carry a whole lot of sand in my truck. Actually, that would make it the biggest sandbox in the world. How cool is that? Oh, and I almost forgot the wheels. My truck has huge black wheels that help it carry all of this heavy stuff from place to place. Without the wheels, it wouldn't be possible, now would it? Did you hear that? That's my truck beeping to warn people to stay out of the way whenever it goes backwards. Trucks do that. All right, my friends. My truck and I have a lot of work waiting for us. Gotta go. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Honk, honk. Look out. A garbage truck is coming through. My garbage truck is so big. All of the other cars have to move aside to let it through. Honk, honk. My garbage truck can collect all of the garbage from all around the neighborhood. My garbage truck is all green. See? And it has lots of wheels. I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! It takes 6 big wheels to move this huge truck. It also has a big box at the back where we put all the garbage we collect. And at the end of the box, there's a loader that goes up and down and helps us load the garbage into the box. Up and down again. When the box is open, you can empty all of the trash cans into it. I think that this box is so big, you can empty all of the trash cans in the world into it. Okay, maybe I was exaggerating a little. Bye-bye, funny bunnies!
Hey! Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.